and we're live. That's it. Dude, that's so much easier. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is what we're working on. Let me spread this out a little bit. Yeah, so we're continuing with the Django project. Um, so I kind of already started. I applied some migrations. I created a section where users can upload their profile. I mean, upload their profile. Upload their a picture. So I added that. I had to install Pillow in order to do that, which actually coincidentally already had it installed. So let's just keep going. Maybe in terminal. It seems like what I have so far matches what he has. Okay. So right now we're testing the new migrations that we added. We're gonna see if we're able to upload a profile pic, which will be interesting. Okay, so we're gonna go to the admin page. Oh, cool. Alright, so we're uploading a pic. I don't know if I have any on here. I'm kind of scared. I don't have some on my desktop. Let's see. Upload one of Steve Jobs. This is actually from a video I recorded on TikTok. I pretended like Steve Jobs was my boss. I think there's a few. Let's see. This one, I accidentally wrote Jabs instead of Jobs. What else? Jobs TikTok. Yeah. I'm gonna use this one. That's funny. Okay. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Did you save it already? Oh, I did. Wow. Okay, save. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so he's running the shell server now. He wants to show us how it works. I kind of like that he does that, to be honest. He kind of does that like extra step, goes that extra mile to like really show how stuff works. So let's do this. Python 3 manage py and then shell. Okay. So this is for what do you call it? The built-in Django user model. So that makes sense. We've worked with this before a little bit. I don't like the angle of this camera. It's like, I don't really like it when it's like right in front of me. I kind of like being at a side angle. It looks like I'm focused in on what you guys are looking at, which I am, but gives like a better experience, I feel like. Okay. Mhm. So this is like, I did some work with MySQL in one of my classes, and this is similar to what we use to grab data there. So, grabbing data for my main user, dot first, like that. So now that's saved into the variable, that's why nothing came out. Oh, then when run user, and I grabbed the correct user, so we're good there. So can I do user.profile? Oh, I can, cool. Yeah, it's a one-to-one relationship, so you're able to grab it directly. I'm wondering if it was like a one-to-many relationship, like for each, like for example, if we were to get all the pics, like say you can have multiple profile pics, I wonder if it would come out like a list. You probably would. It'd be like a one-to-many relationship. Ooh, we can get the image too? What? Yo, jobs too. So I gotta remember this. So user as the import. Okay. Dot objects. Okay. Dot filter. Because we're filtering out to get a specific object. And then we're specifically searching for this username. And then the first one. So what if I didn't put first? I want to see what happens. I think it just returns a list because there's potential for many to appear. But since it's first, it just grabs the one. So let's see what happens. Yeah, query set. Okay. I kind of remember this. Oh, we can access the dimensions. Yo, that's pretty cool, actually. Yeah. You can get the size and the height also. So we can get the location also. Okay. That's the location within the database, I'm guessing. So profile pics is the directory, and then that is the actual file. Okay, interesting. So jobs2 is the file, profile pics directory. Okay, so now he wants to show what it looks like for the second profile we did. So the second one was new user. I have it open right here. So new user. So that's one we're looking at now. So dot first. I don't know if he's gonna change the variable or is he gonna override it. Okay, he just overrides it. Cool. So user So same thing as before. So I'm guessing what's gonna happen is gonna do user dot profile dot image, and it's a default dot JPEG. Oh, okay, and that's actually something we programmed in here. There, see, that's the default image file. I don't think we have one uploaded. I wonder if it actually uploads something, or if it's just like a placeholder that I have to upload later. Okay, so looks like we're going back to the profile. So exit, and then we'll do python 3 manage.py run server. Okay, looking good. This one looks a little bit, oh, it's the same. Okay, so let's go home. Go back to the home page just cause. Let's see what he's gonna do. Yo, what? I actually saved it in here. That's super interesting. I'm wondering, so now I'm kind of thinking like, I don't think this comes through a PC. I feel like you would have to set something up externally, and then set up a server. I've tried this tutorial before and I wasn't able to do it, so I'm repeating the process. This is the second time I've done this. And I set up an account through, I think it was Linode, and I didn't get all the way through, and I was able to store like X amount of data, and it gave you like X amount of RAM or something like that. I think I got like the cheapest program, which is why I'm probably gonna take out this user functionality. I'll probably use it as a way to like collect emails from people that are interested in my site and send out info to them, but I don't think I'll actually be hosting a website where people can make accounts for a while. That's pretty cool though. My boy. That's cool. What is he looking at right now? Oh, is it this? Okay. Yo, what was that? Hold up. Dude, Danny, what's up, dude? I'm gonna respond to you in the chat. Dude, Danny's my number one fan. He's an OG. That was kind of cool, dude. I'm kind of glad you did that because, um, like the thumbs up literally popped up on my screen even though I didn't have the stream open. That was pretty cool, man. Thank you. Okay, so now he's saying that we're cluttering up our directory by uploading all the profile pics here. So usually what we do is we go to settings to change that. That's what we've been doing. So we change the static URL. We have Bootstrap, which is the crispy template pack we used, and then we saved the login redirect URL to the home. So it's pretty common. That's something I should actually note. Hold up. I'm gonna write that down. Yeah, because, I mean, after this, what I'm planning to do is I'm following this tutorial to get, like, the framework of this project going. but part of my journey of growth as a programmer is I want to add functionality to it. So right now I'm just literally following this tutorial, getting a sense of different things, and then I'm gonna modify it. I'm gonna take out some functionality, add my own functionality, and it's gonna become my own project at that point. So settings. It's to redirect. Okay. Yeah, so I guess most of what I've done here is redirect. I wish I could like comments. It's kind of strange because I'm literally on the stream right now, but you guys can only see my programming screen, which I think is pretty cool. Okay. So this is redirecting anything that's uploaded to wherever I put in here. He hasn't specified anything yet, so I don't know what like. Also, another reason I like following these tutorials is he shows like a lot of things he's learned over time and a lot of like, I don't know if they're best practices, but better practices. And like right now this is a good foundation, and over time I'll learn, if that's really what's gonna work for me, or if that's really what they do, or if it's just like a him specific thing. But honestly, yeah, it's just here for the foundation, here to learn. It should be interesting. Do you feel like you're learning, or mostly just following what he says? So, dude, I actually feel like I'm learning a lot, bro. Like yesterday's stream, I felt like I didn't know anything. Like I was going through and I was just literally just like copying what he was doing, and I'm like, man, I'm so lost. But as I've been doing this more, today I've actually been able to explain a lot more what's going on. I've been able to follow it a lot better. It's been a lot more interesting. Well, not interesting, but I feel like I've learned a lot more. And it's one of those things that I have to continue doing day by day, because if I do what I was if I take like a long break again, I'm not gonna be able to find my place again. I'm gonna get lost, like for sure, like 100%. But I've been learning, so as soon as I finish like this portion of the project, um, I'm gonna need to start my next portion of the project like right away, or else I'm gonna get lost again. Okay, saying that's awesome, man. Lots of people just copy. It reminds me of how I first got started. Little by little, man, you'll get the hang of it. That's true, yeah. It's gonna take some time. Yes, day by day, bro. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely like using these projects as a foundation for knowledge is good, but adding to it is what's gonna really take me like bounds forward. If I just copied this and just like post this to my portfolio, I wouldn't be getting like the full benefit. Like when I add my own implementation, that's when I'm really gonna learn like a lot more, because I'm not gonna have this guy explaining to me what to do. I'm gonna have to go out on my own, go on that Stack Overflow grind, figure that out. But yeah, that was a good perspective, dude. Thanks for the support. Lots of love. All right. Yo. Okay, he's explaining this, but I'm gonna write it down so, because this doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know what this means. Okay, so it says something about combining the base directory to the media. I don't know if he's gonna add more, but that's what he has so far. Whoa. Oh, I don't need this. Which is interesting. So let's see what happens. Um, So essentially, the os.path.join is going to make sure that this media directory is put in the same place no matter what OS you're using, and it's going to be placed in the base directory. There's going to be a directory called media, and that's where all this stuff is going to go. So that kind of makes sense. I might have to revisit that later. I've actually never seen this OS path join, so this is kind of new to me, but I kind of get the basic gist of it. So the media URL is a public URL of that directory. So this is how the media is going to be accessed through the browser. Okay. So this is the media URL over here. Okay, so this is the directory. It's gonna go. Okay. Save it. Let's see, Danny said something. os.path.join is a function that puts strings together in a format that will allow you to navigate through paths. Oh wait, I don't think these comments are. Oh, is that coming up? Whoa. Oh, that should be. I don't know if that's showing up on stream. That's funny. This one. This is the comment I'm talking about. I guess I'll see later if this pops up. So it's saying os.path.join is a function that puts strings together in a format that allows you to navigate through paths. Okay, so I'm guessing it's the. Well, I guess from what I'm understanding is it navigates through paths. So there's different, I guess, navigation syntax for each OS. So this one creates the navigation path to make sure that it's correct for that OS. So if you put, so let's see, he's putting this now. Oops. So if you put os.path.join, this, that, etc., it creates this, that, etc. Okay, yeah, perfect. That's kind of what I was thinking. I just didn't know how to put it into words. Okay, thank you. That makes a lot of sense, man. Appreciate it. So yeah, cool. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully, that was actually some really useful comments. Okay. Thanks, bro. Much love. Yes, the comments are showing. They're dope. Mostly because they're my comments. LOL. Dude, honestly, this streaming software is a lot better than the one I was using. I was using OBS before. It was kind of Jimmy Opera. Love you. Crush this shit. Oh shit. Sorry. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it, man. I'll be on here for a while. Thanks for stopping by. Hearts. Okay, so okay, so now he's removing the two profiles since he wants those images to be relocated. So I believe it was under admin. Oh, my server's not running. That's funny. Run server. Name OS is not defined. Do I have to import it? You may have imported it when I wasn't paying attention. You probably did actually. Yeah, it says import OS. Interesting. How come? So he doesn't even have this here. Interesting. Okay. No big deal. Import OS. So this grabs the specific OS that we're doing. It's looking good. Let's try that again. Okay. It's working this time. Refresh that. It takes us to the admin page. We're still logged in as the OG. And it wants to delete these two profiles. Okay. So delete them. Go. Yes. Okay. So they're deleted. So now we should be, I think we're recreating one of the profiles, uploading the same pic so we can see where it's being saved. Yeah, okay, that's what he's doing. So adding that profile, going here, choosing that. I think it was jobs 2. Boom. Save. Okay. So he's doing the same thing, making one for one of the test users. No picture. So in the base directory of our project, there should be a media folder. Okay, perfect. Profile pics. Yo, this guy's crazy. Okay, so we're deleting the original one. Yeah, just delete it. Cool. Wait, how do you open that? So he's opening his base directory in his Finder. Interesting. Find a folder. That's not what I wanted. Let's see. If I press open, it should take me there, right? Yeah. So run into Django. Right here. Media. Yeah. Profile pics. Yeah, it's there. Wow. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. So we're looking at profile.html now. Here we go. Yeah, we just have the user's username here. Oh. Okay, so he's pasting this in here. I'm just gonna type it out. Get some practice in. Div class. Content section. Boom. Boom. thought I could do the tab thing, but it's kind of too late. Okay. Okay, so we go image class. Ooh, okay, so it looks like we're making it rounded. Okay, and the source is user image.jpg. It'll be interesting to see how it like specifically grabs using this URL, because that's not the same one. So we put in div, another one. It's gonna go class equals to the media body. Oops. The media body. So we're hitting that. Boom. And we're going h2 class. It's gonna be account heading. Yeah, and then we're gonna go username. Close that, and then we're gonna do a paragraph. There's a lot of classes in CSS. I honestly don't even know if I can learn all this. There should be like a lot of references for this. That's my theory. There's just a lot of references for everything, to be honest. No username at email.com. I'm gonna go, oops, yeah, wrong way. Let's do it this way. Go slash. Okay. I think that's what he put here. He wrote this here. Put form here. I don't know what form is, to be honest. So let me double check this content section. Ooh, I missed one. Oh no, what happened? This doesn't go here. This goes on top of this. We can delete that line. Cool. Wait. Oh no, that's not right. Oops. So this one's just media. I'm glad I checked. So div. When does this div close? Oh, this is supposed to be tabbed. So that div is for that div. This div is going to be for this div. Cool. Div form. Form here, like that. It's actually going to be here. Okay. Looks good. Okay. So we're gonna access user.username. So we go like, how's it like this? Oh, sweet. That's way better. Okay, save that. User.email. So we're gonna highlight this, go like that, no space, user.email. I'm gonna go look at how this actually works, because I'm not exactly sure. Like, where does this get saved? It's under models? No, there's no email here. Oh, it's from the user. Oh, this is a user class, I'm betting. I'm guessing, sorry. It has to be user.email, user.username. It doesn't extend that class though. I don't know where this is getting it from. To be honest, I don't know where this is coming from. Hopefully the manage. Nope. Made the database. I'm a hacker, guys. Check me out. Okay, that's fine. I'll figure out later. Oh, so that's why it goes over that. So we go user.profile.image. Okay, so save that. Oh, dot URL. Okay. Yo, I think this part that we're about to go through is what kind of caused my last project to work. Because I didn't go through the whole tutorial. I kind of skipped around. I added my own implementation, and the whole thing just did not work. And I kept getting this error, like, about static something, and I could not figure it out. I couldn't get it. So I spent like a few weeks, honestly, not like continuously, but on and off, and I just lost all motivation. I just didn't want to do it anymore. Hold up, this alarm's going off. Give me a second. All right. Yeah, sorry. I think I'm gonna take a little. No, let's finish this, and then I'll take a little break. Kind of just go on some rants, talk a little bit. I'm gonna try to. Actually, I'm gonna try to pop up this chat stream on this other computer. Uh, just so I can see it. Okay, shows I'm live. Nice. Um, just click here. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna mute this. Okay, cool. Damn, one person is watching now? That's crazy. Alright, popping this out. Cannot see it. Cool. That's way too small. Okay. Click there. Perfect. Alright. Got it, got it. Looking good. Okay. Alright, cool. So I got the chat open over here. One person watching right now. It's probably me. But yeah, I just want to have that open. Okay, let's finish this real quick. Okay, it's set to import settings and import static from there. I don't know what that is. He said from our project settings. Okay, so it must be this one. No. That's not right. It is this one. I must have deleted it. Let's see where he's at. It kind of looks like I deleted it. I think I deleted it. It kind of looks like it. Okay, that's fine. We'll figure it out. Pages Django, URL configuration, all this, including from this, import views, user views. Yeah, this is it. I must have deleted it because I don't see it. Oh, he took it off the website. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm not. Okay, he copy and pasted something from an external site. So I'm just gonna write it out. I'm pretty sure this is what ended up happening to me. Cause I kept seeing static, and the only static I remember seeing was this one over here. This static here. So I thought that was the issue, but it might have turned out that I was missing a lot. A lot more than I thought I was, you know. Okay. So I cut this, pasted it here, saving it. Interesting. Okay, give me a second to type this out. Okay. So essentially what he just explained was he got this from, God, where did he get it from? Let me see if I can explain it, because I don't really understand what's going on either. Let me see if I can open this site, because I don't have any idea what he's talking about. Let's go here. Okay, so let's go here. Alright, this is a tutorial I'm following, in case you guys were wondering. No, I'm not a genius. Trust me. I wish I was. I guess we'll just click on one and find a playlist. Okay. So let's go to the playlist. We're on video 8. Web scraping. Interesting. Yo, what is this? I don't think this is what I was looking for. Let me go over here. Got it. Playlist. Let me close this. So we're following this the Django tutorial. There we go. Goes up to, this is exactly where we are. Then we're gonna go here, and then he has where is he? Oh, it's the Django static file stock or document. This is what he's looking at. The document, okay, serving files uploaded by a user during development. During development, you can serve user uploaded media files from media root using Django.views.static.serve view. This is not suitable for production use. For some common deployment strategies, see deploying static files. For example, if you use media URL is defined as /media, you can do this by adding the following snippet to your URLs. Okay, so this is what we did, because that's what we did. The /media, we transfer the media URL to that, which is what it is here. Okay, starting to make sense. URL patterns, this is what we had here, and he added this extra check. Instead of just adding this to the end, he wanted to be a little bit safer, so he added a debug that if something went wrong, it wouldn't just be slapped on there. I believe it was to my understanding. So yeah, he just copy and pasted that, and then modifications I did was what he did. Oh, he's saying it's more understandable, that it's only being added in when we're in debug mode. Interesting. Okay, we're almost done with this one. Let's save what we have. Looks all saved, but I'll just resave anyways. Let's go back here. Is it still running? Hold up. Oh, it still looks good. Wow. Let's see what we got. Profile. Yo. That's so cool. No way. Wow. Well, there it is. That's me. That's literally me. We're twins. That's cool. So I guess the code we put in is what made that like square around it. Let me see the profile views. Content section, media. So is that what creates that box around that? Is it the crispy forms, or is it a combination of the two? Okay, div class media body. Okay, account heading. Just username, text secondary, user email. Wow, yeah. Made it all nice. A div. Is that what the div means? Is the div class media. We did that, div class media body. So why did it go to the left though? Is that something? This is interesting. I'm learning a lot from this, honestly. Okay, so he's saying he hasn't put in stuff for the test user. Just if we go to this profile, oh yeah, the default image doesn't exist. Okay, so he's checking the location of this image. So let's see that. It's going to project, the general project media default.jpg. Okay, it does not exist. Okay, so they're saying just to drop in something in there. So let's go to the Finder. I'll probably have some image. I can change one to literally anything. Look, I'm famous. No. Probably do this one. We're gonna go default. Is it dot? It's .jpg, right? Yeah, JPG. I wonder if it'll let me just do it like that. Use JPEG, and then we'll drag this straight into our medias folder like that. Where'd it go? Oh no. Can I? That just in here. Oh god. Where'd it go? Did I actually drag it in here? Oh, it didn't. Let's try again. Color default.jpg. Okay. I guess I might have to do this smarter way. Let's open a new instance of Finder. New Finder window. And then we'll just drop it straight into our project. That's not where it is. It's going to be under media here. Profile pics. So we'll grab this. Put it right here. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to save all this. Let's refresh. Refresh. Not working. Not sure why. Still not working. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart the server. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. It didn't go all the way in there like I put it. It actually goes right here, like in the actual media folder. So should appear now. Boom. 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 Cool. We're back. We're back. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing that one of Danny's comments is missing. Interesting. Strange, but that's all good. Oh, I think, was it blocked? I think it was. Interesting. Cool. Okay, so yeah, we got the new user up there. Cool. Cool. just went here. Go signals. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay. Definitely gonna need to take a break in a second. Receiver is not defined. Wow. That was here. Oh, okay. How do you spell receiver? Yeah, okay. Okay, we're back. So he wants us to create a new user. So, register. Let's see what happens. Cool, cool. So far it's working pretty well. Yo, we did it. That's pretty sweet. Ooh, we need to go over a lot in this next video. We're pretty close. We got like 4 videos to go. I'm gonna take a little break right now. I'm starting to kind of lose focus. I'm probably gonna go over whatever happened here. I honestly have no idea. Yeah, we'd have to go over that part again. Kind of get a better understanding, but I'll be back. I gotta finish this today. Alright. Peace.